Now I'm going to show you how you can improve the responses from ChatGPT. If you start with a simple prompt, something like write an email, and tap enter. Now it's going to ask some questions. ChatGPT wants to know, what do we want? Now we don't get the response that we want. So you see, if we write something basic, we get write an email, it asks questions so it can define better what we want. But we can also make a prompt along the lines of write a professional email to my client asking for their availability next week for a meeting. And if we do that, what do we get? We get an email. So you see the difference. If you put a simple prompt or a more improved prompt, you get better outputs. So if you take, for example, tool, you're going to take it on the community tab. What is a healthy meal? So we're going to paste this in, enter, and now we get a reaction, and we're going to see what the response is. I think this is upgrade response for the beginning. But if we want to focus on protein or something else, we're going to make it more tailored to what we want from ChatGPT. So now I'm going to try the improved prompt. Suggest a healthy dinner recipe that's quick to make and high in protein. Now I want something specific, and you see the difference in the response from ChatGPT in a minute. And you can see now it's going up with prep time, cook time. Before it was only examples and the benefits. And now we get ingredients, instructions. This is the difference between the prompting. How more basic the prompt is, how more basic the answer is. If you improve your prompts by giving it details, by telling it exactly what you want, then you get a far more better response than if you use a basic prompt. So I think this second reaction is a much better response for what we want, because we want high protein, than more general advice what we get from ChatGPT in the first response. So I would say try it for yourself, try something simple, make something, improve upon it. If you don't know how to improve on your simple prompt, ask ChatGPT, I want to write an email, can you improve my prompt? And ChatGPT will ask you questions and will come up with a better prompt, and then you're going to use the better prompt for the second version. That's the improved prompt you're going to use, and you get a better response. Try it out and let me know how it's going.